Hi everyone, today we're gonna learn more ways to use the verb estar. This is gonna be a quick video. So up until now we learned that estar can be used to form the present progressive. So estar plus ando. In this case, yo ahora estoy hablando. I am talking right now. Or we can use it to talk about the location of a place, a person, and distances. So, for example, los estudiantes están en el gimnasio. The students are in the gym. For another example, for location, mi casa está cerca del campus. My house is close to the campus. And then we can use it to talk about relative location of something. For example, using estar más encima de, debajo de, del lado de. So, for example, right now, mi perro está debajo de mi escritorio. My dog is below my desk. Today, we're gonna learn how to use estar with emotions and other adjectives. And they're gonna be two separate examples and two separate cases. But first, let's review estar. You should know it by now. Yo estoy, tú estás, ella está, nosotras estamos, vosotros estáis, ustedes están, and all the others. And now, how to use estar with certain adjectives? We can use estar to describe subjective sensory impression such as taste, appearance, or state. So in this case, let's look at an example. Este helado de chocolate está muy rico. This chocolate ice cream is very tasty. And with estar más the adjective, and we conjugate estar. Mi sopa está fría. My soup is cold. Now we're gonna practice a little bit. So now you're gonna write a sentence describing the picture that I will show you in a second. You must use the verb estar, conjugating it, plus one adjective to describe the dish. Here we have the picture that you have to describe, and here you have some adjectives that you can use. You can find them on the vocabulary list of the book too. And so now we have this sentence that you have to finish. Las papas fritas, blank. Pause the video because I'm going to show you the answer. Now we have the answer. Las papas fritas están saladas. And here you can see we use están, plural, because we're talking about multiple papas fritas. And you can see that we picked salty, but we have to make it agree with gender and number. So papas, plural, feminine, so we have saladas. And now let's learn how to use estar with emotion. We can use estar to describe temporary states or conditions, including emotions. Basically, we use estar to express how something or someone is at that specific moment. For example, estoy cansado porque tengo mucha tarea esta semana. I'm tired because I have a lot of homework this week. Or another emotion, mis amigas y yo estamos emocionadas porque vamos al concierto de Taylor Swift. My friends and I are very excited because we are going to the Taylor Swift concert. Y vamos a practicar. Let's practice. We're going to write another sentence to describe a picture. We use the verb estar and one adjective from the four here. And this is the picture, and this is us saying, and you have to complete the sentence. Okay, I'm going to show you the answer. So pause if you're not done yet. In this case, Hossein está borracho. Singular person, and we use borracho because he uses the pronoun él. Now, try writing a sentence about yourself using one of those adjectives. And then you're done. Adios!